If you want to make $1,000 a day as a prop firm trader, listen up. Most traders overcomplicate their approach and blow their accounts. But here's what's crazy. You only need one simple strategy with Take Profit Trader to be making $1,000 a day in the next 7 days. My name is JD. I teach traders how to pass prop firm challenges and increase their overall trading performance. My desire is for you to be like Mastermind Capital, who just passed his first Take Profit Trader challenge after watching this channel right here for just a few weeks. Our free guide, Finally Funded, is opening the eyes of blinded traders with each download. Just comment below, give me the guide, and I'm gonna send you Finally Funded. Let's break down the math of this $1,000 a day blueprint. You need a prop firm. We recommend Take Profit Trader. Yes, I am an affiliate. If you sign up through me, I will receive a small commission, but I am biased because they are the company that has the day one payout. So why would we or you go with any other firm? Now, Take Profit Trader is currently offering 40% off of their accounts, okay? Plus no activation fee. So you get 40% off and you save $130 because the activation fee is normally $130. So now you can get going for a real small overhead. You can get two 25K accounts for just $180 right now, taking advantage of this 40% deal. But let's stop right here. Your total risk on this venture is $180, not what you risk per trade during your challenge. What I'm trying to say, if you can wrap your mind around it, you're actually only risking $180. Trading without fear is the hidden benefit of going with a prop firm. Accept the risk and remember, it's not your money. It's not your money. So trade accordingly. Trade without fear. Accept the risk. Now you need to set up a NinjaTrader ATM strategy. I use NinjaTrader. They can set up automated trading strategies. What you want to do is you want to set up an ATM strategy where you are risking 2 points, all right? And we are going for 4 points. We're really going for 4 points, but we don't lock in until we get to 4.75. So once prices make it to 4.75, then we lock in 4. That gives us a chance at a runner, or gives you a chance at a runner. Now, let's say we only get the 4 points. Well, I'm calling that a base hit, all right? And every base hit makes $585 after commissions, because we're gonna go with 3 contracts, all right? So every base hit pays out $585. So we only need 3 base hits to get funded. The profit goal on a 25K account is $1,500. 585, 585, 585, you are funded, you have the $1,500. If you were just to win 1 trade per day, you would have the profit goal done in 3 days. Even if it takes 5 days, no problem. No problem at all. You have to trade for 5 days to complete the challenge anyway. So normally I'll be done in 3 days and I just gotta take 2 random trades, you know, either way it goes. So even if it takes you all 5 days, cool, you would have had to trade for 5 days anyway. So let's say it took 5 days, but we hit the profit goal and we made 5 days. So on day 6th, we are actually in the pay position. We got to make to the buffer. So we got to make another 1,500. Then everything after that, you know, is pay time. So it's day 6. We're pro. Let's say we catch a 10-point run, right out the gate. We catch 10 points. Well, at 3 contracts and 10 points, that's 1,500. So we got the 1,500 buffer knocked out on day 1. Now let's say day 7. So we're on day 7 rolls around and we just get a base hit, right? We just get a base hit. We make 585. But wait, we bought 2 accounts that we've been copying all this time. So we didn't make 585. We actually made 1170. From this point forward, you could be making $1,000 a day, taking 1 trade, just getting a 4-point base hit win. Now the numbers are the numbers, but you're gonna need the skills to be able to do this. So get my free guide, Finally Funded, and get the tips you need to pass your next prop firm challenge. Comment below, give me the guide, and I'm gonna send you Finally Funded. So let's go do a chart lesson, and make sure you stay all the way to the end, because of course I'm gonna have a trade example for you. So let's roll it. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So we got a special one for you today. We got a fresh 25K pro account. We need to get to the buffer, right? So listen, The buffer is 1500 on the 25K account. A good way to do this to beat the buffer is just to scalp out, right? Everybody's scared of the buffer. There's people who won't even go with Take Profit Trader because of the intraday buffer. Hey, it's just for a short period of time, and once you beat it, it's beaten. So today, we're going to see if we can beat the 25K, get to the 25K buffer, which is 1500 in one trading day. And we're going to scalp out to do it, right? I'm going to scalp out 3.5 points. We need 3 wins, and we got it beat. So the market is going to open in 6 minutes. I'm seeing a long right here. We just bounced off the key entry point. And so if we get a wifey set up to start this day, we in business. If we can get a wifey set up right out this gate, that'd be awesome. I'll be back. It's got that look. If it, man, especially if this candle come from all the way down there, breaks higher, oh, that'd be an awesome wifey. Wifey, higher, low. Low, push up, higher, low. Big candle, breaks higher and everything to the left, triggers it, boom. That's what you want right there. We can get a wifey set up right at the open. Yeah. Low, push up, higher, low, double bottoms. Man, interesting. Interesting. Is this gonna make the green, red, green? Boom, off. It's coming, y'all. It's coming. Yeah, that pattern is there. And it's gonna definitely kick us in before the open, look like. We open in 1 minute. Setup is there, higher, low. Almost looks like a wifey to continue this uptrend. Market's finna open, 30 seconds. It's gonna kick us in before the open.
Order filled.
We in. Give a little space with the open coming. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See if we right. Break higher, closing your top. All right, a little more. A little more. Oof. Push up, push up. Hold the line, EMA. Hold the line, EMA. Make another wifey. Break higher. Let's go higher here. So we should be attempting to try to come up to the highs, which we will scalp out before we make it there. Push up. A little more, push up. 1.75 is halfway. Push up. I want that EMA to turn into a strong trend. Like the angle. Push up. Push up. Closing your top. Closing your top.
Stop filled.
I was up what a point? No, I was up a point and a half, and we lost 2, 3. That was about a 5-point swing right there. That was a bad swing right there for me. Now we got the roller coaster look here, unfortunately. But if I'd have took this bounce, I would have been all right.
Order
All right, we're
submitted.
back to the key entry point. Let's see if we're gonna break down this time, break out. And I'm clearly seeing this is a trend down, trend break retest. Clearly seeing another attempt lower, which did not work.
Order filled.
All right, let's range fade.
Order filled.
Good win. Had to take the win there because we're going to re-enter.
Order submitted.
I'm going to take this breakout. If it comes. See, we got another low, push up, higher low. This candle broke higher. If we break higher than all this right here, we're going to keep trucking. But you know what?
Order
I'm gonna wait. I
canceled.
want the touch off the 21 EMA. We just need a candle to break lower, hit the stops here, hit the stops here. That'll be enough momentum to just boosh. Here it come. Hit them first stops. Hit them second stops. Come to breakout.
Order filled.
We're in. See what we get here. Breakout. One more push, one more push, one more push.
Target filled.
Good win. All right. Now we'll wait for a pullback and go again.
Order filled.
All right. Let's see. That was unfortunate. So let's see which way we're gonna go. We back above our key entry point. Either we're gonna come back lower again, or this failed. This breakout just failed, and we about to go higher. We'll see what's going on.
Order filled. Stop
They
filled.
getting us, y'all. They getting us. All right, we is in trouble, y'all. We can only take another loss and it's over. So we gotta win this next trade.
Order submitted.
It looks like it's gonna be a sale off of this key entry point. Let's see. We come lower, we going short.
Order
Second
filled.
leg is in place. Let's get this leg. It's the target here. Oh, that's a touch. Lock up this profit, baby. Lock that profit up. Good win.
Stop filled.
Good trade. All right, guys. So that run did us mad justice. We need one win. We need one win to get there. And I mean, look. I mean, I locked in. Just unfortunate, right? I mean, we stayed back, bam. But that's how the cookie crumbled. But the current price action, we're still only thinking short. And now we've had a trend up, trend break, retest the new high. That market cycle is over. Up, here we come, going lower. Let me get on the right account.
Order submitted.
We can't. Oh, here it comes. We're gonna go with it.
Order filled.
We need one win here, folks, and we got it.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Here we go. Push lower. let's watch this here, see what we need. This trade is gonna get us there. We need to see 26. We only like we like 3 points away. Close on your low. Boom. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Close on your low. Close on your low. Close on your low. Close on your low. Great close. Push. Let's get it. Push. Push. Let's get it. Let's get it. We got it. We got it. We got it, folks.
Order
Couldn't
filled.
get the close fast enough, but we got it. We got it. We touched what we needed, so the buffer is over. All right, let's see what our balance is. Man, we gave back a lot there. Hey guys, JD here. So it's day 7 now. It's day 7, and yesterday was wild. I mean, we made it to the buffer. I mean, we beat the buffer, but man, if I hadn't locked in, if I had did that 2 lock-ins, if I had just locked in on the first lock-in, that thing fell another 20 points. We could have made $2 grand yesterday. So, hey, it's over. Move forward. This is day 7. We're still in the game. We're in the pay position. So the very next trade is a check, right? The very next trade is a check. So this is what it's all about. This is the point you're trying to get to. Not to add no extra pressure to myself, but yes, the very next trade is a check, and we would have done it in 7 days because of the day 1 payouts with Take Profit Trader. You can get to a check 6-7 days. Could have did it in 6 days if I had to stay back yesterday. So anyway, we'll see if we can do it in 7 days. We need 1 base hit. Market's going to open in 5 minutes. We'll see if we get it. So market is about to open. How much time we got left? $30 seconds. I'll tell you, I would actually love for it to run to the top because we've had 2 down days now. My bias is actually short. So I would like for it to go to the top key entry point so I can get the range fade short. It's really what I would like. So I want to see prices come up here fast, be a mile away from the 21 EMA, give me a falling hammer off of here. I enter right about here and ride it all the way down to the bottom. That would be awesome. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game time, right? So we should take off. But again, I got this short bias. So man, if we was to come back down hard, I'm taking it. Hold on a second. I need to see how much I would have to risk here. How much would I have to risk if I go right here, 16.25, 18.25. That's it. This is my trade. I'm gonna take this shot.
Order submitted.
Breaking lower. Lower high. Whew.
Order submitted.
Lower high, expecting we're gonna come back to the other side of this range. Tough ball.
Order filled.
Tough call, folks. It was there. I liked it. High, push down, lower high, big signal candle. I liked it. Can't say I didn't. Looks like we're gonna come up here now. Test this top. Kind of got matching tops here.
Order submitted.
So this is a push down first entry, push down. This is a second entry long that worked. So hey, if it stay out of here, the higher low, hey, we're coming to test this key entry point. I mean, that's just that. 2150. Oh, we got the new high, people. We got the trend up, trend break, retest to new high. This market cycle is over. All right, we're coming up to the key entry point. A mile away from the EMA. Let's get it. We break Lord in here, we off to the races.
Order submitted.
Put it above this high. It's key entry point. You want to push down hard right here. Close on your low, close on your low, close on your low, close on your low. Push down, close on your low. One more tick. One more tick. One more tick, close. One more tick, close. We'll take that close. Push down. Let's come back to the 21 EMA. Come back to the 21 EMA. All right, folks, that's the check. That is a check. So we're gonna just lock in here.
What numbers? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Well, let's actually wait till we get a swing. That is a check. See if we can get this target. The target is here at 6405. Might better get there. Push down, closing your low, push down, break lower, break lower, break lower, break lower, push, 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 break it, break it, break it, break it, break it. Great break. All right, y'all. That's the check.
Order filled.
Great win. Great win. You all saw it live here. So with that, with that base hit there, we are able to take out a check today of $742. I'll get 80% of that. Oh, sorry. I was outside cutting the grass. Yeah, so we got a check for $742. I'll get 80% of that, and we did it in 7 days. All right, if you have multiple accounts, multiply that by how many accounts you have. All right, roll with your boy. Check the description. Grab that Take Profit Trader. Download the free guide. Finally funded. Comment below. Give me the guide. I'm going to hook you up. All right, guys, let's do a quick recap and we'll wrap this one up. First and foremost, all praises go to Yahuwah. He did it for us again. If you guys remember that trade that I said we have to win the next trade, at that point, right, we were 3 ticks away from losing this account completely. I had $400 cushion left because of that first trade that went up 1.5 points. Then we came back and lost. We that swing had us down like 600 out the gate. So we were fighting back that whole time. But at one point we were 3 ticks away from losing the whole account. And that's when we caught that huge run. All praises to Yah. Thank you. Saved us. All right. Then the strategy did the rest. Now, let's recap what happened. Started with a 25K account. All right. On July 21st, took the first trade. July 22nd, win. July 23rd, win. All these were base hits, basically. Well, this trade, no, this day I had to trade a little bit. But most of these are base hits. In 3 days, we're, you know, at the profit goal at least. And then we got to trade 2 more days just to finish it off. So, boom. So, by the 27th, because we had a weekend in here. So, by the 27th, we had a pro account, right? So, let's jump over to the pro account. On the pro account, this is the day that you just saw. The 2 days, actually. You saw the first day. Here we were trying to get to the buffer. We did touch that 1,500 mark, even though I didn't close it. Man, it was some weird stuff happening. Dude, by the way, did anybody notice that I should have made like 3 grand this day? Anyway, so yeah, we got there. Praise y'all again. And this was crazy. It's 1342, man. So we touched the 1,500, couldn't close it out in time. So I started today needing $158. So, but you know, 1 base hit, a check, right? And then today got crazy, you know. But it was what a range day today was. It was an awesome range day. But notice, I just want to do this in a recap. that I remember how I changed the plan, right? I was only supposed to be scalping. But what I realized is that I'm trying to scalp in a trending market. Once I realized that the market had the potential to trend, I had to switch my strategy up, right? And today, what weird stuff. I tried to, that second trade I took today, that just closed itself at 3.5 because they didn't give me a target to move. I was gonna move down to the bottom of the range. We would have made $3 grand there. I should have made, I'm thankful. I made $2,700 in 2 days, but I should have made $6,000 easy in the last 2 days. Get ready for the drop. I think the bottom is finna fall out, people. Get prepared. Get your accounts, get funded, get ready. It's gonna be a great ride down. I hope you guys are getting prepared. Anyway, that's what I should have done this week. But I'm thankful. So we hit it. And then I came back in, took some good trades. We had some good trades, and we made it, right? So with that amount today of 1357, I was 157.50 in the hole. We are now have an account balance of 27,700. So everything over 26.5 is us. So let's see how that looks. So now we have it, 27,700 available for withdrawal, $1,200. Okay. Today's money, 1357. I now have a withdrawal button. I'm going to press it. All right. How much more do I want? 1,200. All right. So what am I gonna get? 960. So hey, listen. 7 days, people. You 7 days. The only part of this you missed was the boring first 5 days, right? But you saw us get through the buffer. You saw us get to a check. It is possible. Now, let me say this. Full disclaimer here. There's no reason you have to do this in 7 days. All right. I'm proving out my strategy right here. You take your time, right? There's no rush, but just think about this. This was a $90 venture for me. Okay. I took $90. I took $90 and in 7 days, I'm making a withdrawal $960. That's not bad. $1,000 days are possible, but see, you have to be with the right prop firm. Okay. I don't know how many other prop firms this is actually possible with, but it is very possible with Take Profit Traders. So you gotta get with the right prop firm, all right? Because they have the day one payout, all right? That's powerful. So once you get past the challenge, you ain't gotta play with no consistency rule. You ain't gotta trade 5 days. You ain't gotta trade 10 days. You just trade. You get to the buffer. Everybody's scared of the intraday buffer. It's beatable, okay? It is beatable. Once you're past it, it's ancient, it's history, right? Then you just keep growing. So don't let the intraday buffer cause you to miss the big picture with Take Profit Trader, which is the day one payout, 7 days, people. Now I'm in position to have $1,000 days every day. I'm just in position, you know what I mean? I'm trying to jinx myself, but I'm in position now, right? And just keep adding on accounts, right? I don't need to, I could take the same base hits. Just, hey, let me load up 5 of these boys. We'll see, right? We'll see what happens. But the point is this, it is possible by just grabbing 2 of these accounts, right? You could be in position just with the little 4-point base hit to make $11.70 today. $1,000 a day is possible when you combine Take Profit Trader and my IOTS price action trading system. Those two, it's like Wakanda forever. They going together real good right now. So let's make this withdrawal, wrap this one up. $1,000 day in 7 days, and my withdrawal is in progress. All right. So make sure you comment below. Give me the guide if you want to try to, if you need help to pass these prop firm challenges, comment below, give me the guide. I'm gonna send you Finally Funded. And hey, again, you don't have to try to do this like I just did. I just wanted to show you that it is possible in 7 days. Take your time in these challenges, but right now, take advantage of that 40% off. No activation fee with Take Profit Trader. I think this is probably about the best deal that they have all year long. So hey, take advantage while you can right now. Grab a couple of these accounts, $180 risk. Go get it. 7 days. Get to making $1,000 a day. All right. So until next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden.